Namaste. Good day to all my students. In this lecture, I will explain about multi-stage graph which is solving using backward approach. In the previous video, I solved multi-stage graph and in that I used forward approach. Those who are not watched that video, please watch that video. Later you can watch this backward approach video so that you can clear idea about what is meant by multi-stage graph, how you can solve using forward approach, as well as you can know that how we can solve using backward approach. Why I am saying is both the approach which was asked in previous year question, forward as well as backward. They are not given any multi-stage graph like this and they didn't ask for solve this one. They asked as theory, explain multi-stage graph. That is why I am saying what I am explaining you should understand clearly so that you can solve it. Now in this video again I will say I will solve using backward approach, right? Already you know that this is a multi-stage graph. What is a multi-stage graph? That stage multi means more than one stages are there. Here if you are saying V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5, there are 5 stages. Each stage there are some vertices like this, right? Now, like as forward approach, we have to generate one table, right? If you are doing using the table approach, in the last video you already understood in the case of forward approach, because easily you can get it these values whenever you want. What is this V? V is the different vertex it is given here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this V is different. Already I explained in the previous video also. This V is different. This V is showing the stages. What is B cost? Previously in the forward approach we written as cost. Now I written here as B cost. Why it is B? B is showing the backward. What is D? Already I explained in the previous video in the forward approach, and here the D value is different here. What is the meaning in the forward approach D? To which vertex it is going to penetrate. That is the thing. And but here it is from which vertex it is penetrating. Do not confuse while solving the problem. You will understand clearly. Now I will explain the backward approach. That same time in the forward approach also what was the rule, because why I am explaining is what approach we are using in the forward approach, its opposite approach we are going to use it in the backward approach. If I am combining or comparing both, so that you will understand a clear idea, right? What was the forward approach? Forward approach means we have to solve from last to first vertex. That was the forward approach what we used. And what is backward approach here? Backward approach means we have to start with the source and we have to solve up to the sink vertex. So we will call it as sink. Here they are given another name as T also. Sink, destination, everything it is backward approach. That means we will start with the source and we are going to end with the 12, starting with 1. First vertex we have to solve is 1, right? Now I am going to solve the first vertex. First vertex is 1 and the stage number it is 1, right? There previously we written as cost of 1, 1 in the case of forward. Here we will write as B cost, because here we are written as B cost. B cost of 1, 1. What is 1, 1? Already I explained there. Now also here also I will write first one, it is showing the stage number, comma. What is the second one is showing? It is showing the vertex number, right? I hope it's clear. First one it is showing the stage number. This one it is showing the vertex number. Which is the stage number? 1 here. What is the vertex number? 1. Right. What is the meaning of this one? 1 to 1. What is the shortest path? What is the shortest path from 1 to 1? It is obviously it is 0. But in the case of forward approach, we started with 12. How we written? Cost of 12, 12. What was that value? It was 0. Right? Here also 0. Why it is both are zeros? Because here we are considering from the backward approach. 1 is the starting one. That is why 1, 1 it is 0. Where I should write? In the first vertex. Correct? I have to make it as 0 here. Now I should find out the D value. What is D value? You have to see clearly. Here D is writing as from which vertex it is penetrating. 1 is penetrating to 1 itself. From which vertex it is penetrating to 1? It is from 1 only. That's why I will write D value as 1. I hope it is clear. If you are not clear, don't worry. You will clearly understand once we are going to the second stage, second vertex. Clear? Now I will go to second stage, second vertex. Which of the values I don't want, I will remove it. Right. Now which is the stage number? Second stage. That's why I will write it as 2. Which vertex we are going to find? Second one. 2. Right. Unfortunately, there is only one edge it is coming to here. We do not want to see here like what we done. If you want to find out 9 in the case of forward approach, we will find it out. The edge from 9 to 12 plus cost of that 12, right? But here it is not like that. We have to see the backward way because it is backward approach. 2, if you are considering which of the vertex which is coming to 2, you have to consider. Which vertex it is coming to 2, or sorry, not vertex, which edge it is coming to 2, it is 1 to 2, 9 is the weight of that edge, right? How to write here? I will write minimum of, actually we do not want to write here minimum, but basic formula I will write as it is because there is only one edge it is coming. Minimum of, previously in the case of forward approach, we will write cost value first. Nothing but cost function we will write, then we will write the C function, right? But here we have to do in the reverse way. B cost of, from where this edge is generating? From 1. B cost of 1, 1 plus, that is means, what is this? B cost of 1, 1. What is the shortest path up to 1? That value we will get it here. That is none other than 0 plus cost from C from 1 to 2. How to write that one? C of 1, 2. Right? And we have to close this flower bracket. In the first lecture, in the forward approach, most of the time I am not closed. You should close this one, right? Now I can find it out the value of this one. Minimum of B cost of 1, 1. What is 1, 1 value? I have to find out B cost. Here it is there. 1, 1 it is 0, right? 0 plus, what is the value? C of 1 to C of 1 2. What is the edge it is coming? It is 9. It is 9. What is the value here? 0 plus 1 it is none other than the value it is 9. That means what you understood? Here, what you understood? I will adjust the stage number. Yeah. What you understood? B cost of 2, 2. What is 2, 2? Second stage, second vertex. That means this one. What is the value it is? It is 9. I will update here as 9. Right. And D, what is the D value? For the second vertex, from which vertex it is penetrating to the second vertex? From which vertex it is penetrating? From vertex number is 1. That is why we have to write here as 1. I hope it's clear. I will adjust this value. Already I told what we done in the previous forward approach. It's opposite. We have to do it here. There, how we find out the D value? We find it out to which vertex it is penetrating. But here, from which vertex it is going to penetrate. That is the difference. Now, 2, 2 I done. Now I will do for 2, 3. Right? And 4 and 5 value I will write directly that you have to solve. For 3 I will do now. It is 2 only because second stage vertex number it is 3. And I will remove the values which one I don't want, then I will explain it, right? Okay. This value I don't want, 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 and this value also I don't want, right? Now we will see 2, 3. 2, 3 means 2 is the stage, 3 is the vertex, right? What is the B cost of value? B cost means from which vertex it is coming and its shortest path up to there. How to get it? Which vertex? 1. What is the stage number? 1. How to write here? B cost of 1, 1. Right? From there to that particular vertex. What is the path? 1, 2. C of not 1, 2 because we are finding for 3. Right? 3. That is why 1, 3. 1, 3. Now we have to take this value. What is B cost of 1, 1? First stage, first vertex. Where we have to check here? Here, B cost is 0. 0. Plus C of 1, 3. What is that? 1, 3 means that edge value. What is the value it is? Here it is 7. What is 0 plus 7? This value it is equal to 7. Where I should update? In the 3. 3 I should update as 7. What is the D value? For the 3, from which vertex it is penetrating? From which vertex? It is nothing but it is 1. What I should write here as 1. Right? Again I will adjust this 7 and 1 also. I hope it's clear. And what is the value for 4 will come? 4 will come as 3 and 5 will come as 2 only. That 2 values I will update here. In the case of 4, it will be 3. Please solve it. And in the case of 5, what is the value? It will be 2. Right. What is the penetrating? From which vertex it is penetrating to 4? It is 1. From which vertex it is penetrating to 5? It is 1. Right? That is why both we have to write it as 1. Here we have to see that from which vertex. Right? In the case of forward approach, 2 vertex we have to find. Right? I will adjust here again. These 2 values 1 and here it will be again 1. I hope it's clear. Right? Now we will go to the stage number 3, vertex number 6. Right? That I will solve. Plus 8 also I will solve. 7 you have to solve. Right? 6 I will solve first. 3, 6. I should do some changes in these values. Which are the values I want change? I will do it. This value we don't want. This value we don't want. This value we don't want. This value, this value, this value, this one as well as this one. I will adjust to this end. Yeah. Now we will write. Now I can write so that you will understand the things. Right. What is 3, 6? I will write here. Stage number 3, right? Value it is 6. Please clearly see here, observe properly. To 6, how many edges are coming? There are 2 edges. One is from 2 to 6, one is from 3 to 6. Now we have to write 2 set of values. Previously we having only 1 set of value. Now we have to write 2 set of value because 2 edges are coming to 6. Correct? Now I will write it. It is 3, 6. What is the first value? B cost of 2, 2. Why it is 2, 2? From the 2 only, second vertex only, the edge is starting. That is why B cost of 2, 2. What is this 2? Stage. What is this 2? Vertex. From there, what is the edge is coming? This edge. 2 to 6. That you have to write it here. 2, 6. Comma. Because one more value it is coming from 3 to 6. That we have to write. How to write? B cost of I will increase it. Yeah. B cost of, what is the value? What is the stage number? 2. Which is the vertex? 3. B cost of 2, 3. I have to close it. Plus C of 3 to 6. Correct? C of 3 to 6. C of 3, 6. I have to close. Now we can find out the value, right? Here, what is B cost of 2, 2? We have to find out from the table. 2, 2, it is 9. 9 plus, what is C 2, 6 value? 2, 6. What is the value here? It is this value, it is 4. Right. Comma. B cost of 2, 2. 2 means stage, 3 is the vertex. From here, B cost of 3, it is 7. Correct? Yes. 7 plus what is that 3, 6 value? 3, 6. What is the value? That is 2. Which is the smallest value? 9 plus 4. What is the sum? It is 13. And 7 plus 2. What is the value? 9. Which is smallest? 9 is smallest. Where we have to update? 4, 6. 6, the value it is 9. I should update here as 9. From which vertex it is coming and penetrating? 2, 6. See here, 2, 3, 3, 6. From which vertex it is coming and penetrating to 6? Because this is the value we are considering here. Smallest one is 9, this value. From which vertex it is coming? It is coming from 3, right? 3 to 6 it is penetrating. That's why here I should update as 3. Right? I will adjust that value. Yeah, I hope it's clear. Next, it is 7. 7 having 3 inputs are coming to 7. I will solve 7. You do it for 8. I think that will be better. I will solve for 7, right? You do it for 8. Now, which of the values I should remove? I will remove first all the values. Then I will start 3. I did not want to remove because that stage only we are there. This anyway 2, 2 I will remove. 2, 6 I will remove. 2, 3, 3, 6, 9. I will remove this 4, 7, 2, 9, 13 also I will remove. Now we will see. Which is the stage 3, which is the vertex 7. I should update here as 7. What is the, how many edges which is coming to 7? 1, 2, 3. One is edge is from 2, one is from 3, one is from 5. We will take it from the 2 first. What is the 2 first one? B cost of, which is the stage 2, 2. I will here write as 2, 2 plus C of 2 to 7. Correct? C of 2 to 7. What is the next B cost? From where it is coming? 3 it is coming. Right? Which is the stage number 2. 2, 3. B cost of 2, 3. From C of 3, 7. Correct? 3, 7. I will write as C of 3, 7. Comma, because one more value is there. To 7. It is from 5. 2, 5. That I should write now. B cost of 2, 5 plus, what is the C value? C of 5, 7, because 5 to 7 that edge it is going. C of 5, 7. I should close it. I hope it's over in the case of 7. Now we have to find out the value. What is B cost of 2, 2? 2, 2. 2, 2 means in the B cost of 2 we have to search, it is 9. Plus C of 2, 7. What is 2, 7 value? 2 to 7. What is the value? It is 2. B cost of 2, 3. What is B cost of 2, 3? In the 3 we have to search, it is 7. We got it, it is 7. I will write on top. What is C 3, 7? 3, 7. It is 7. Comma. What is B cost of 2, 5? Where we have to search? In the 5. What is the 5 value? It is 2. It is 2. Plus C of 5, 7. What is 5, 7? 5, 7. What is the value 5, 7? It is 11. Okay. It is 11. Right. Now we have to add the value. 9 plus 2. It is 11. Comma. 7 plus 7. It is 14. Next, last value. 2 plus 11. What is the value? It is 13. What is the smallest value? It is 11. Where we should update 11? In 7. Right? In 7, I will update as 11. Right? For getting 11, from which vertex it is going to penetrate? This is the first one. From 2, it is going to penetrate. What I should write it here? Because 2 to 7, this is the value we are consider. That is the shortest path to 7. From 1. From 1. What is the value? 7, 11 it is getting. It is nothing but this is the path we are going to select from source. 9 plus 2. What is 9 plus 2? It is 11. Up to 7, the shortest path we got, it is 9 plus 2 is 11. That is the value. What I should write here? It is 2. Right? I will adjust this value. I hope to do for the 3 values also. For the 8, I will update directly. For the 8, the value will come as 10. 8, the value will come as 10. Through which vertex? From which vertexes we will get 2 value. From 2 also will get the same value. And 5 also we will get the same value. That's why 2, slash file we have to write. I will adjust that value. Don't worry if you didn't understand why it is written two values, but in the 9 case also we will get two values that I will solve here now in the case of 9, right? Because in the previous forward approach we got some value as 2 bar 5, 2 like that, 2 value, not 2 bar 5. I'm not recollecting, but 2 values we got it. That also we solve it, right? Now I can solve stage 4. 3 vertices are there. First vertex is 9, second is 10, third is 11. If you are seeing 9, there is only 2 incoming edges are there. One is from 6, one is from 7, right? If you are seeing 10, there are 3 incoming edges are there, right? 3 incoming edges are there. That 3 incoming edges, it is a little bit complex than 9. That is why I will solve 10. And 11, there is only one edge, right? That you can do it, you can solve it. Now I will solve it for 10, right? I will write once again from the starting so that you will clearly understand. That's why I will write once again from starting only from B cost. B cost of what I should write? Which stage? Fourth stage. 4, 10, right? B cost of 4, 10 equal to minimum of, I will write the flower bracket. Which are the edges are coming? First is from 6, second is from 7, third is from 8, right? How to get 6? B cost of 3, 6. I will write B cost of 3, 6 plus, what is the C value? C of 6, 10, correct? C of 6, 10 plus, next we will go with 7. B cost of 3, 7. B cost of 3, 7 plus C of 7, 10. 7, 10. One more value is there, comma. Here plus is wrong, sorry. Here it is, comma, right? Yeah, comma. Because this is one set, this is second set, and third set we are going to write for B cost of 3, 8 plus C of 8, 10. I will write B cost of 3, 8, correct, plus C of 8, 10. Right. I have to close the flower bracket. That's not forget. In the first video, I didn't close it. Please do it. All right. Now I will get the values. B cost of 3, 6. I have to see the table. 3, 6. 6 I should see because 3 is the stage. 6 is 9. Right. First value it is 9. I will write together because the splitting happened. Plus C of 6, 10. What is 6, 10? It is 5, right? It is 5, comma, which is the next one? 3, 7. What is the 7 value? It is 11. 11 plus, what is 7, 10? 7, 10. It is 3. Correct? Yeah. Comma. What is the next value? B cost of 3, 8. What is 3, 8? 8 I should search. It is 10 plus, what is 8, 10? 8, 10. What is the value? It is 5. Now, simple, we have to add it, right? Yeah. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14, comma 11 plus 3, again it is 14. 10 plus 5, it is 15, which is the smallest 14. 14 is coming 2 times. That means 2 vertex we have to write it here. Not even 1 vertex, we have to write 2 vertex. In the case of 10, not in 9, 10, because we find it out for 10. I will write. What is the value here we have to write? Here we have to write the value as 14, right? I will adjust that value. We have to write as 14 here. Due to which vertex? Right? From which vertex it is going to penetrate. 2, 14 are there. One is the first value that we are calculated from 6. One is 6, and next one is the second value. It is we calculated from 7. Right? 7. That is why we have to write it as 2 values. One is 6 and another one it is 7. How to write? 6/7. 6/7. I hope it's clear. I will adjust that value. Now 9 I will write directly. 9 it will come as 15. 9 it will come as 15, and its value will be, D value is 6/7. 6/7. Now last value it is 11. 11 the value it is 16. Please do it. Right? I will write directly. You, while you are solving, please do it. Here the value will come as, D value it is 8. Right? I will adjust that 16. Right. Now we will do our last value. What is the last value? 12. How many edges are coming? 3. And do not confuse this 11. 11 is the shortest path from 1 to 11. That is the value. That's why big value is coming as 16. 1 to 11, what is the shortest path? Total length it is 16. Right? I hope it's clear. For 11, from which vertex it is penetrating to 11? It is 8. Right? Clearly for D value, you will understand once we are writing the shortest path. Now we will do for 12. 3 path. Anyway, we return the formula. There 3 paths are there. Now I will update that values. Right? 4 I should remove. 10 I should remove. Here also I should remove all the values. I will remove it one by one. Right? 6 I don't want. 10 I don't want. 3 I don't want. 7, 10, 8, 10. I will remove these values also. 9, 5, 11, 3, 10, 5. These values also I will remove. Right. Now I can do, what is the stage number? 5. Right? I should write it as 5 here. Which is the vertex? It is 12. That is the destination, or we will call it as sink. Both you should know. In the textbook it is written as sink. That's why sink also you should know. What is the first B cost? We have to do for 9. Up to 9. B cost of 4, 9. I would write here 4, 9. What is the C value? C of 9, 12. What is the next B cost? B cost of 4, 10, right? What is the C value next? C of 10, 12, right? 10, 12. What is the next B cost value? B cost of 4, 11. What is the C value? It is 11, 12. Right. Now we have to find it out the value. What is B cost of 4, 9? 9 we have to search. It is right. B cost of 4, 9. What is the 9 value? It is 15, right? I should write it as first value as 15. 4, 9. 9 I should search. It is 15. Plus C of 9, 12. What is 9, 12? 9, 12 it is 4. That is the first value we got. Next one is B cost of 4, 10. What is 10 value? It is 14. What is the next value? C 10, 12. 10, 12 it is 2. Correct. Next is what is the value? B cost of, I will adjust here. B cost of 4, 11. What is 4, 11? 4, 11. 11 we have to search. What is the value? 11 it is 16. Plus C of 11, 12. What is the value? It is 5. Right. Now we have to add it. That's it. 15 plus 4 it is 19. 14 plus 2 it is 16. 16 plus 5 it is 21. What is the smallest one? 16. Where we should update? 12. I will update this value as 16. Right? Due to which vertex? This is the second value. Second value means which value? Here the second value is, this is the value. Second value 4, 10, 10 to 12. 10 to 12. From which vertex it is coming? It is 10, right? Which vertex it is coming? It is 10. I should write here as 10. I will write here as 10. Right. Now you see here, just observe it one thing here. Here it is 16 it is coming, right? If you are seeing the forward approach, for 0 you will get 16. What is this 16? Shortest path from 1 to 12, right? 1 to 12, shortest path is 16, right? In the forward approach, unfortunately, we solved from 12 to 1. There also 1, we got it as 16. Here we started with 1, that is by 0, but 12 we will get it as 16. In the case of forward approach, 12 will be 0 and 1 will be 16. What you understood? If you are solving using forward or backward, the shortest path from 1 to 12, it will be always 16. It is not going to change, right? Now we will solve this path. We have to find it out the path. That path I will write now, right? Now next I will write out the path, right? Right. The path number I am going to write. What is the one? We done it on forward. The same approach I should use here also. Right. I will do it here. First D I should write. D of, there I started from 1 to 1. But right, in the, because I use the forward approach. Forward approach I started with 12. That is why for finding the path I started with 1. Right. 1, 1. But here I am using the backward approach. I started with the 1. That is why I have to do 4 starting with the 12. That means that one, stage number 5, I should write here first. That is 5, 12. What is 5? Stage number. What is 12? The vertex number. Vertex number 12 I should write C here. 12, what is the value? It is 10. Equal to 10. I hope it's clear. Next is D of, which is the its previous stage. What is this previous stage? 4. 4, what is this value? You got it. That one you have to copy it here. It is 10. 4, 10. D of 4, 10. 10, what is the value? 6 or 7, right? Any value you can take. I will take it as 6 here. What is the next value? D of, which is the stage? It's previous, 3 comma, this 6 I should write, right? This 6. 6. What is the stage? 6. What is the value? It is 3, right? I should write it as 3. Next value, I will adjust this one so that it will go top. Yeah. Next value is D of the stage number 2. 2 comma, what is the value? You got it here. That you have to write. It is 3. It is 3. Equal to 3. What is the value? It is 1. We reach the 1. All right. Now we have to write out the path. That easily you can write. What is the first one? It is 1. We have to start with 1. While doing, we can do it in the reverse way, right? So that you will understand. First is 1, next is 3, next is 6, next is 10. And what is the destination? Destination, it is 12, right? This 12. That I will write. 1, 3, 6, 10, right? 1, 3, 6, 10. The destination, it is 12. Now we will take the path 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The value it is 7, right? You will get it as, no doubt, it is 16 only will come. 7 plus 3 to 6. What is the path? 3 to 6. The path it is 2. 7 plus 2 plus I will write 6 to 10. 6 to 10. What is the path? It is 5 plus 5. Next one is 10 to 12. 10 to 12. What is the path? It is 2 plus 2. Just add it. 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. It is 16. Obviously, it will be 16 only will come. This is the first path. That is first 1 to 3. From 3 to 6, it will send. From 6, it will go to 10. From 10, it will come to 12. That is one shortest path. One more shortest path is there because it is 6 bar, 7 is there, 10. In the case of 10, 6 bar, 7, first we consider 6. Right? Now I will do it for the next value also. Right? I will do for the next value. Right? What is that? D of 5 comma 12. I hope already you know. Still I will write D of 5 comma 12 is equal to 10. 5 comma 12. 12 value is 10. 5 is the stage. D of next its previous stage 4 comma 10 we have to write. Which value? We got it here. Right? Is 10 equal to, what is the value? Right? 10, what is the value? 6 we done previously. Now next one is 7. I should write it as 7 here. Right? I have to write it as 7 here. Right. What is the next value? I will adjust this one. What is the next value? D of 3 I should write. 3 comma what value we got previously? It is 7. 3 comma 7. What is the 7 value? Here it is 2 equal to 2. Right? What is the next value? D of 2 comma what is the value? We got it here 2. Right? That 2 we have to write it here. This 2. Right? What is the value? 2 means the value it is 1. We got the path. Right? Now I can write the path here 1. Right? This is a path 2. First path already we solved. 1 to 2, 1, 2, 7, 10 and 12. That I should write. I will write here 1, 2, 7, 10. Right? The last one is 12. Now we have to see 1 to 2. What is the value? It is 9. 9 plus 2 to 7. What is the path? 2 to 7. What is the path? It is 2. Next is 7 to 10. 7 to 10. What is the path? It is 3. Plus 10 to 12. What is the path? 10 to 12. The path it is 2. Just add all the values. Again, you are going to get as 16. What you understood? There are two paths. This path I will write, say 1 to 2, then 2 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 12. There are two shortest paths. I hope it is clear the backward approach, how to solve, and you have to write this path also, right? In the next slide, I will explain the general formula. The formula only we used and solve it. That formula I will compare with the one of the value how we solve, so that you will clearly understand. Plus, we will see the algorithm also. This is the basic formula of backward approach. Before explaining this basic formula, what I will do is, once again, I will generate one formula based upon stage 4 and vertex 11. I will write this one, and I am going to compare with that one with this one, so that it will be more clear than if I am explaining, right? For that one, I will do it here. I will do for B cost of 4, 11. 4, 11. Only one value it is coming, one edge is coming. That's why I took that one, so that it will be easy for me to explain, right? B cost of 4, 11. I will increase the font size. Yeah, B cost of 4, 11 equal to B cost of 4, 11. This one. Which, how many edges are coming? Only one edge. That is coming from 8. How to write? B cost of 3, 8. That I will write. B cost of 3, 8 plus from 8 to 11. How to write? C of 8, 11. Right? Now I should get that value. Anyway, I will get it as 16. But I will compare here. B cost of ij. Here instead of I, 4, j, it is 11. What is I? I, it is nothing but the stage number. Here 4th is the stage number, right? I is the stage number here. What is j? J is the vertex. We want to find it out. In other terms, I can call it as intermediate destination vertex is 11. That here intermediate destination vertex is J, I can call here, right? Stage and vertex. It is an intermediate vertex like 11, which is our actual destination. It is 12. That is why I told us intermediate vertex. What is the 11 value it is getting here? 11 value I am getting here as 16, means from 1 to 11, what is the shortest path? It is 16. That is the meaning here. Now you may confuse for 12 also 16, but 12 the path is different. That is why it is coming as 16. Do not confuse that one, right? 12 the path is different. That is why it is 16. 11 the path is different. That is why there itself 16 is getting, right? Now I will compare. B cost of 3, 8. Where the 3 is coming? 3 is the stage number. Stage number is, first stage number was 4. This stage number is 4 minus 1. Correct? Here it is I. Here it is I minus 1. Here it is 4. Here it is 3. Here it is I. Here it is I minus 1. I hope it's clear. Now this 8. 8, it is another vertex what we are selected. For 8, they are putting as L. This is L. Do not consider as 1. This one is L, right? For L, we are getting as 8, right? Here it is 8. Here also again 8. Why? 3 to 8. From that 8 to the intermediate destination vertex. Here it is 8. Here it is 8. Here it is L. Here also should be L. I hope it's clear, right? And here it is 11. What is J? That J will come here. What is J here? That J will come here. I hope it's clear. Right? Now, what is this L comma J? What is L comma J? What is L here? L is 8 here. Instead of here it is L. Here also L. This L, J it is saying. What is L here? L here it is 8. What is J here? It is 11. That is an edge, what it is saying. 8 to 11. It's an edge. That is why it is an element of edge. L comma J is an element of edge. Right? What it is saying here? L. What is L? 8. Right? 8 is a vertex. I want to find it out for 11. That is 11. Then 8 is a vertex which is there in the previous stage of 11. What is 11 is in which stage? 11 is in 14th stage. Sorry, 4th stage, right? 11 is in 4th stage. What is 8? 8 is in 3rd stage. That means, that is the meaning here it is saying. L it is 8. 8 should be in the previous stage. It is I minus 1. I minus 1 means 4 minus 1, it is 3. V3 will come. I hope it's clear. Because here it is finding for 11. 11 is in which stage? 4. And what is the L value you are going to get? Or here it is 8. 8 should come in the its previous stage. That is why V of I minus 1. I hope it's clear with this formula. Right? Now we will go to algorithm. Before that, I will clear this value, what I just now written, otherwise it is going to overlap. Right. Now I can go to the algorithm part. Right. Now algorithm is somewhat similar like our forward approach. What are the different things are there? I will highlight first. See here. What is G? That is same only. Graph. What is K? K is the number of stages. Here total number of stages it is. How many stages are there in our previous graph? There are 5 stages. I will write here. K is equal to 5. What is N? Number of vertices. How many vertices are there? There are 12 vertices, right? What is P? P is showing the shortest path, right? Now we didn't have any value. We will calculate here P value, right? See, previous in the forward method, what we done is cost of N is equal to 0.0, right? But here I will write cost of B cost of 1. Why? Because in this approach, we will start with the first vertex, end with the 12th vertex. That is why, what is B cost of 1? 1 to 1, what is the distance? It is 0. I hope it's clear. One distance B cost, we find it out, right? Remaining, we have to find how many remaining one? N is 12 means remaining is N minus 1. That means what I have to calculate? 1 we calculated, we have to calculate from 2 to 12. That is why J is equal to 2 to N. What is the N value? N value is 12. Right. Now this is a basic formula, right? This formula only it is written as this one. What is the difference here? We avoided the stage value. I we avoided. Wherever I is coming, they removed that I value. That is the only difference. And what it is saying is, while finding this formula, two edges are there, 2 similar formula will come there, which is the smallest one you have to consider. That is the example it is saying here. That is the meaning of this one, right? Now this formula as well as this one I will compare. I told I is not there. Why? I is the stage. B cost of J. B cost of J. B cost of I, if you are removing, L will come. Instead of L, they are using the another variable, call it as R. There is no difference. I related things, they removed it. Here also I removed, here also they removed. B cost of L. Instead of there, they can write L also, but they use the other variable, call it as R. If they are using L here, here also they have to use L. If they are using R here, here also they have to use R, and J is as it is. I hope it is clear, right? Now you see here, what is our D of J? What is this D value? D value is equal to what is the R is there. That is the thing I told there. What I told there, how to take from which vertex it is going to penetrate. That one, if you want to get, it is same as what is the R value you are getting here. I hope it is clear, right? That is the way you have to fill this particular table. With the help of this loop, J is equal to 2 to n, this table is going to fill. Now, at last, we are returned the shortest path. That path it is finding using this particular one. Two values, I will write it here. Remaining values, you can solve it and see, right? I will write it, this one, P of 1 is equal to 1, because in the forward approach, we solve from the last n and finding the shortest path from first. But here, we started finding the shortest path from first, end at 12, and while finding the values for shortest path with the help of D, we calculated from 12. That is why first what we can do is P of 1 is equal to 1. What is the meaning? First vertex for finding is 1 will come. I hope it's clear. Shortest path of 1, it is 1. That is the meaning of P1 of 1 is equal to 1. What is P of K? What is K value? It is 5. P of 5 is equal to n. What is n? It is 12. What is the meaning of that one? First vertex, we are starting with the 1. Last vertex, we are ending with the 12. That is the meaning of this line. K value is 5. Last vertex, we are going to end is 12. And first vertex, it is starting is 1. Now, we will execute this particular loop. K is equal to, J is equal to K minus 1. What is K minus 1? J is equal to K minus 1. What is K minus 1? What is K value? Here it is there. K is 5. K minus 1 is 4 to 2. Right? What is this value? First two values I will find it out. P of J. What is the J value? Current J value is 4. P of 4 equal to D of P of J plus 1. What is the J value now? It is 4 now. J plus 1 it is 5. Right? Yes. What is P of 5 value? Already they given here. Just above statement. P of 5 it is 12. I will replace P of 5 for 12. I can replace it. I will remove here. It is 12. What is D of 12? D it is here 12. What is the value? It is 10. Equal to 10. I hope you clear. Previously we got it. First one. First what it is there? End vertex is 12. And its previous vertex it is 10. That means I will show you here. First last we got it as 12. Now it is getting as 10. We will go this way, right? One we already find it out, and in between in the third stage, next value we are going to get it. Now 12 already we written because already we know. Now we calculated 10. It is overlapping. Why? Because I written in the next here. That is why it is overlapping, right? I hope it's clear. 10. Next, its previous stage we have to get. That is nothing but the third stage. For that one, I should change this value. Instead of what is the J value? 3, 4 was there. Now it is decremented to 3 because 2 means it is automatically it's going to decrement from the third stage. What is the value? D of P value is 3. Now P of what is the value will come? P of 3 was there. J plus 1. It is 4. Last time we find it out P of 4 value. What was P of 4? That is only this 10. That means P of 4 I should replace with the 10. That is previous finding value we have to replace. Very simple term. What is D of 10 value? This is 10. D of 10 is 6 or 7. Right? First path only I will write. It will be coming as 6. Right? Now we can go to the previous slide. Here next we got it as 6. Like that it is going to do. I hope it is clear about backward approach as well as forward approach that I was explaining in the previous lecture. Please go through both the things very clearly, because they are going to ask. Up to now, our experience, what it is saying is, 4 times it is asked as theory question only. You have to explain it. Backward and forward approach, they clearly will mention what you have to do, backward or forward. Based upon that one, you have to do it, right? I hope it is clear both. Thank you. Thank you very much to all my students.